कृषि व्यवधान के राज्य सरकार की सहमति के लिए
No, nothing will go on record. No, nothing. You
Chairman,
speak.
sir.
They are not recorded.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me a chance. I request you kindly allow me to speak to you.
No.
Sir, this is very important issue. In the morning, in the House is discussed very important issue in the 0 hour. Honorable Opposition Leader, Madam Sushma Swaraj raised very important issue of the Ganga Yamuna River Project development activities. This House has given a more important to that in the morning also. The same attention I want to be that very important issue, the drought.
Please, order, please.
Drought relief subsidy to small tea growers, sir. The Honorable Finance Minister has shown much concern in his budget for 2013-14 to uplift the farming community in the country. As a member of the tea board, representing the Lok Sabha, on behalf of the tea industry, I convey our thanks to the Honorable Finance Minister on his efforts to bring the right climate for investment in the industry. As a logical extension, I would like to brush the memory of the Honorable Finance Minister regarding the need to implement investments already sanctioned and recommended by the tea board. In particular, the nearly 1.5 lakh small growers in the country are awaiting the releasing of 300 crores for the small growers development recommended by the tea board under the 12th five-year plan. The same is immediately required to set in motion. The novel wing called the Small Growers Directorate already approved by the tea board and the Government of India.
Okay.
As is well known, 1 year, sir, a few lines, sir. In the first year of the 12th plan has already expired, and hence there is emergent need to hasten the services of the Small Growers Directorate so that the growers get immediate benefit, including the subsidy grants. Most parts of the country are commonly passing through the drought, and in the Nilgiris, tea factories belonging to small-scale sectors are functioning only for 3 days a week, and that to just one shift a day because inadequate arrival of green tea leaves. New raw material, because of the drought, the total tea production has also come down by 60%. This means the income of the factory owners and the small growers, also farm labor, has eroded drastically. Now, the final point, sir. Now is a time when the government should stand by the side of the growers for which some drought relief subsidy through the center.
Okay.
Operated sectors like tea may kindly be made
Ram
available
Shankar
the part
Ajbar.
budgets concerned to address the drought.
Okay.
In short, a drought relief subsidy through tea board, particularly in small growers in the immediate needs, sir. Thank you, sir.